Good morning, everyone. We are doing Racemotive, the third event of the season and the final event of the season. We have a bunch of friends that are coming out with us, as you can see. We're all kind of lined up here, ready to rock and roll. Everyone's excited. We're hoping that the weather cooperates. Unfortunately, it is raining right now, but they're expecting the rain to be on and off, and then some wind, so that should help to dry the asphalt. If the weather cooperates, we'll obviously run the C2. If not, we're going to just run the Porsche, and obviously a bunch of our friends are going to be running as well. So it should be a fun day, and we'll get you some videos on the way over to the event, and then obviously some racing clips when we're there. So thanks for tuning in, and here we go. Well, we are here and rolling in, taking over sheets here. We only got half the crew here right now, but did you see any flames?
I couldn't know because their mirror was behind.
I gotta see him. I gotta go see him here. So what's up? What's up? Flames,
bro.
Yeah. How big? Little flame. I got little flames.
Constant flames. Every time you downshifted it,
it just spits flames now.
At least we're not drawing attention to ourselves.
Yes. So apparently the tuner says if I add meth injection, the flames will be like 3 or 4 feet.
What?
Yep. So I feel like that's what I have to do. So meth injection coming soon, maybe? I don't know. So, all right, well, let's get gas and get the hell out of here. Turns out the C2, I guess, is leaking some fuel. I don't know what's going on with that, so I gotta go try to find my dad. I have his phone. We were gonna try to link up and race the 2 cars just for fun, but I gotta find him. I have no idea. I don't see the C2 anywhere around, so we'll try to find that and see what's going on.
I'll relay. I'll quit.
Yeah.
The main power switch over that power switch goes.
Take it.
170.
170.
170.
Yeah.
Whole run up. I don't know how it-
Really? You were cruising. Get in there. Dad, you're nuts. I can't believe you're racing this in the fucking rain. Oh, we need a crane. We need a crane.
How's she look going down the track?
Dude,
Looks good.
The
Looks
hood
good.
stays on.
Dude, your burnout was bad ass. Dude, it sounds sick. Listen, if it stops raining, we should do it. We should do a dig. Yes. Just stop at the line. Actually, no, it's too wet.
I'm pretty
It's too
done.
wet. Yeah, it's too wet.
I pressed my luck and I'm
Yeah, you're out of here.
I'm out here in the slicks with rain and
I wouldn't be going again. All right, so you fixed the car twice.
Huh?
You fixed the car twice. You got it back on the rain, and you still ran in the rain. I'd say you were committed to run it today.
No, it wasn't raining when I got in line. I'm here now.
But listen,
You think it was a bad
picked
run?
up 7 miles an hour in the Porsche, which is sick.
He said he broke loose.
C2 ran great, 170 while spinning, so not bad. Considering this car is not built to do the 65 roll to whatever, it's built from 0. For it to go out here and do this roll racing is incredible. I don't care what anyone says. So that's only got 2 gears, by the way. It's only got 2 gears. So like if you put a 3rd gear, it'd be like a whole 30.
I don't know how much more you need in that car. I don't know if I want to go 200 in that car.
No. At the end of the day, we're really happy with it. I mean, for it to come out here and just play around roll racing is just absolutely fun and sick. But we got another car. We're building for roll racing next season. So stay tuned.
Just want to say there's a hell of a mechanic on this end.
I was just telling.
I didn't touch the hood, but
I was just telling them that next season you got something else. You got something else planned around here.
yep. Free bird, baby.
He's naming it Freebird. So.
We're gonna do the
We're
one
gonna
arm
pay him to
out
play it through
the right window.
PA
Down,
system
turn
and
left.
that down the track.
So thank you guys for tuning in. Smash that like button. Let us know if you like these race videos. It's huge. And we had a blast today.
Looking at this again. What are you talking about? Well, he said it was huge. What are you talking about? What's he talking about?
All right, we're out. Hey, Stoner Car Care. Use code Wolfpack. 20% off.